Introduction to Classical Tibetan, Lesson 5.3, Concessive Particles and Using and or. The different uses of the Latin particle is a complex topic and will take some time to sink in, so as you're continuing to learn that information, we'll keep today's lesson short. The concessive particles are kyang, yang, and ang. They can be translated as even, also, as well, and so on, and their spelling depends on the spelling of the syllable that came before it. So, after the suffix ga, da, ba, and sa, the spelling is kyang. After nga, na, ma, ra, and la, it's yang. And if there's no suffix or an achung, the spelling is ang. For example, chik kyang me. There is not even one. Kong yang bupa yin. He is Tibetan too. The concessive particles can serve different functions when used between sentences, but we won't get into that just yet. For now, familiarize yourself with the concessive particles use within a sentence. There are also 11 particles that can be used to indicate or and, depending on context. They are gum, ngum, dum, num, bum, mum, rum, lum, sum, and tum. They match the suffix letter of the preceding syllable. If there's no suffix, the particle is and if there is a post-suffix da, the particle is tum. For example, takba mi takba, permanent or impermanent. If these particles come after the main verb, they function as a question mark. For example, kong bupa yin is turned into a question by adding nam at the end. Kong bupa yin nam. Is he Tibetan?